Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 3rd of our video series in which we are learning the conjugated form of different Korean verbs in the present, past and future tense, particularly in the most common form of conjugation, that is the informal form of conjugation. Okay? If you have not watched the first 2 parts yet, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. Now, let's start with the 3rd part. Alright, first is 앉다, to sit. 앉아요, 앉았어요, 앉을 거예요. 달리다, to run. 달려요, 달렸어요, 달릴 거예요. 여행하다, to travel. 여행해요, 여행했어요, 여행할 거예요. 살다, to live. 살아요, 살았어요, 살 거예요. 그리다, to draw. 그려요, 그렸어요, 그릴 거예요. 청소하다, to clean. 청소해요, 청소했어요, 청소할 거예요. 놀다, to play or to hang out with someone. 놀아요, 놀았어요, 놀 거예요. 벗다, to take off clothes or to undress. 벗어요, 벗었어요, 벗을 거예요. 기다리다, to wait. 기다려요, 기다렸어요, 기다릴 거예요. 운동하다, to exercise. 운동해요, 운동했어요, 운동할 거예요. 싸우다, to fight. 싸워요, 싸웠어요, 싸울 거예요. 주다, to give. 줘요, 줬어요, 줄 거예요. 받다, to receive or to get. 받아요, 받았어요, 받을 거예요. 씻다, to wash or to shower. 씻어요, 씻었어요, 씻을 거예요. 생각하다, to think. 생각해요, 생각했어요, 생각할 거예요. Okay, so we learned the conjugation of 15 Korean verbs in the present, past and future tense. Now, let's do some sentence practice to understand how to use these conjugated forms in Korean sentences. Okay, let's begin. The first example is the cat sat on the chair. 고양이는 의자에 앉았어요. Here, the verb 앉다 is being conjugated in the past tense. Next is, my teacher runs in the park. 저희 선생님은 공원에서 달려요. The verb 달리다 is conjugated in the present tense. Next is, I will travel for 5 days. 저는 5일 동안 여행할 거예요. 여행하다 in the future tense. Next comes My friend lived in America for 3 years. 저희 친구는 미국에서 3년 동안 살았어요. The verb 살다 is in the past tense. Next is Jim drew a house. 짐은 집을 그렸어요. Here, the verb 그리다, which means to draw, is being conjugated in the past tense. Okay? Now, let's look at some more examples. The first one is, my mom will clean the house tomorrow. 저희 엄마는 내일 집을 청소할 거예요. The verb 청소하다 is conjugated in the future tense. Next is, I played with my friend at the park. Or you can say that I hang out with my friend at the park. So, in Korean it is, 저는 친구랑 공원에서 놀았어요. The verb 놀다 is conjugated in the past tense. Next, I took off my sweater. 저는 스웨터를 벗었어요. The verb 벗다 is in the past tense. Next is, my sister will wait until 5 o'clock. 저희 언니는 5시까지 기다릴 거예요. The verb 기다리다 is being conjugated in the future tense. Next comes, I exercise every day. 저는 매일 운동해요. The verb 운동하다 is in the present tense. Now let's look at the last 5 examples. The first one is, the children fought yesterday. 아이들은 어제 싸웠어요. 싸우다 is conjugated in past tense. That teacher gave me a book. 그 선생님은 저에게 책을 줬어요. The verb 주다, which means to give, is being conjugated in the past tense. Next is, I receive money from my dad. 저는 저희 아버지에게서 돈을 받아요. The verb 받다 is in the present tense. I wash my face every morning. 저는 매일 아침에 얼굴을 씻어요. The verb 씻다 in the present tense. And the last one is, I will think about that problem. 저는 그 문제에 대해 생각할 거예요. The verb 생각하다 is conjugated in the future tense. Okay? Alright, so in this video we learned the conjugation of 15 Korean verbs and also how to use them in Korean sentences. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.